so good. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I get ready in 5 minutes. So if this is your first time checking out my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. I clip my hair back so it could get out of the way. So what I do first is apply my moisturizer. Then I'll wait for it to sit there and soak into my skin. Then I'll apply some primer, and I'll put the products I use under the description, so that way I won't be stopping every time I apply something to my face. Then of course after the primer, I'll apply my foundation, and I use Fit Me by Maybelline Matte Poreless in color 128 Warm Nude. And I use my beauty blender, actually Real Techniques beauty blender. I'll apply some on the sponge, a moist sponge, and then I'll apply it, of course, all over my face. And I'll do this makeup technique whenever my man wants me to hurry. My hubby slash baby daddy slash love of my life. He's behind the camera just watching me. I believe I do this like 4 times a week because, yeah, I don't have time to do like the fancy makeup as much anymore since I do have a 4-month-old son. It's much harder getting ready. But hubby does help me a lot. Then I'll let that settle for a little bit. Then I'll use my concealer. I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Apply under my eyes, on my eyelids, a little bit on my forehead, the ridge of my nose, below my cheekbones. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen in 5 minutes. When I do this 5-minute makeup, I don't do anything to my eyebrows. I'll apply some setting powder. This is a challenge, you guys. I don't think I take 5 minutes. It's probably 10 minutes. Then I'll do some bronzer really fast. I'll apply some around my forehead, around my nose. And it's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. My 5-minute makeup tutorial fail. Oh well, let me just keep doing my makeup, right? Whatever. It was a lie. It was just for you guys to click on my video. 5-minute tutorial my ass. A huge fail, you guys. By the way, I'm Janie Olmos and I'm always late. I was 2 hours late to my wedding. My husband was, well, my fiance at the time was super mad, pissed off. And whenever I do like a simple makeup like this, I always try to go dark on the lips. I won't do anything to my eyes, no eyeshadow, no anything, just mascara, and then I'll do a dark lip so that way it won't look too plain. I always overline it on the bottom of my lips so that way my lips appear bigger. I think everyone does that. See, dark lips, nothing on your eyes, and it looks like you have a lot of makeup on. Or it looks like you actually did your makeup. And now do white eyeliner to make your eyes pop. Then some mascara. Brush my eyebrows. I'm already late anyways. Janie Olmos. Wait, it's not Janie Olmos anymore. It's Janie Salazar. Always late. And I'm kind of whispering because my son is asleep next door. And by next door, I mean the next room. And this is always me supposedly doing my fast makeup when I tell Justin I'm going to do a real fast quick makeup, my 5-minute makeup. This is it. This is my 5-minute makeup, you guys. Always late, passing the 5 minutes. Now if you guys want me to do another video of, I don't know, maybe an update of my life, some type of makeup, I'll try my best doing the makeup. Not a pro, but just showing you guys what I do on myself. And I'm using Better Than Sex mascara. It's my favorite one. So if you don't know what to get me for Christmas, get me Better Than Sex mascara. I'm almost out. Hint, hint, babe. It's already 10 minutes. Yeah, this is my 5-minute makeup quotation. think I'm done. Oh no, I'm not done. I never leave the house without highlighter. It don't matter if it's my 5-minute makeup. I don't leave without highlighter. I'm gonna use Starburst by Anastasia Glow Sugar Kit. Inner corner of my eyes. And I believe I'm done. Finally. And it took me 12 minutes and 13 seconds. That was my 5-minute makeup video. And I believe I am done. Okay, you guys, so I listed all the products under the description because I know I didn't mention all of them. If you guys want me to do any video in particular next, just let me know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys, it's 2 in the morning and my son's in the next room asleep. Chiquito. Here's a picture. Woo, he's so cute. Okay, bye.